Hey, how you doing? It's Gianta here. Today is August 14th, 2018, and today is day 9 of the Facebook page engagement challenge. I just wanted to go over some results with you. Today is video 9 of 90, so I'm about 1/9 of the way through, which is pretty cool. No, 1/10. It's pretty cool, I have to do this 10 more times to get to 90, and that would be pretty cool to see these results after I'm done making these videos for the challenge. I'll be able to compare the results from my Facebook page to my YouTube videos and see how they're both doing, which they should both be in good shape after I'm done doing this challenge for 90 days. So I'm 1/10 of the way through, and it's exciting, and I'm just going to go over these results with you. Last night, right before I went to bed, I posted this one status. It's to make people laugh. It's a marketing joke. As you can see, I got 35, 36, 37, so 37 likes, loves, and laughs, not including myself, because I like that as well, and 7 comments, and that was right before I went to bed. Because on Facebook, people want to laugh, people want something that's refreshing, people want to see stuff that makes them pretty much change their mood and change their state and be in a happy type of feeling, when they're online. So it always helps to post some funny stuff, and and then this morning I made a post, and it talks about how everybody will think it's a scam until you start making money online, and then everybody will want to be your best friend. And there's a lot of truth to that, and I know a lot of people go through that. A lot of people, go through their friends and family not believing in them, not believing that they could do it, believing that it's a scam, believing that they're wasting their time. They give you a bunch of different reasons why you shouldn't do it. And then whenever you start making money, that's when they shut their mouth, because they don't have nothing else to say about you, because you've already accomplished what they thought you couldn't, first of all, and they've seen that you made real money from a scam, from what they called a scam, so they had nothing else to say about it. So they know it's no longer a scam because you've actually made money from it. So it's very important to continue on your path, and this really has a lot of facts to the statement. 36, 37, 38 people liked, loved, and laughed, and I got 9 comments for that. Okay, and and then after that, I put a complimenting post, which is a post that kind of ties together with the last thing that I posted, and it pretty much says that everything that you do works, but it's just a matter of if you're gonna work, and a lot of people can relate to that, because a lot of people make excuses why they're not building their business, then they don't get the results that they want, and then is when what ends up happening is they lose faith, they quit the business, they say, oh, I lost money, so people go around saying scam, 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 but the fact is that they've never put in the work that they needed to do to actually build the company and build the foundation and put the roof on. And that's very, very important. So in this, I got a lot of engagement actually, right as of now, and this post is only 10 hours old, so this is fairly recent. I've got 123, 124, 125 likes, loves, and laughs, 36 comments, and 3 shares. So 3 people shared this post, and as you can see, my engagement is growing. It all depends on what I post, and this is just a post that I posted because I told people that I was doing a Facebook cleanup with the friends that aren't engaging, and I posted up a picture. I just did that an hour ago, so that still hasn't had the number of following and likes and everything. It takes some time to get there, you know, if you just posted a post. But I just posted that to let people know that I'm serious, and I take my business serious. I take my pages serious. And if you're just on my Facebook and you're not really engaging, you're not really building a relationship, you're not trying to get to know me, or you're not, you're not communicating, you're basically just sitting there, and you're taking up space for somebody who really does have an interest, somebody who really does want to be around positive energy, somebody who really does want to do more in their business. So that's why I do these cleanups, and that's why I posted me actually doing cleanups, so people know that it's serious, and they'll pretty much engage more because they know that. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you click on the link below, it's going to show you exactly how I get these results, how I've been getting these results, and how I learned this method to get, over the 120s in likes, comments, and loves, and how I get over the 50s in comments. A mass amount of comments, a lot of engagement. If you click on the link below, you're going to learn exactly how I do that. And I hope to see you there. And I'm always here for you. If you need anything, don't feel free to reach out. Don't hesitate. And talk to you soon. All right. Have a great night, and talk to you later. Bye for now.